All right, find the slope of each line. I'm going to zoom in here so we can get a better sense of scale. What we're looking for are any points that land right on the grid lines, like those, okay? We'll get the same slope no matter which ones we go through. Let's say we went with the furthest points. Let's say we said the slope is a change of -4. That was the rise of -4 and the run of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we could say the slope is -4/8, or simplified would be -1/2. So it's B. Now that you would get the same slope no matter which 2 points you picked. You could say -2/4. -2/4, that simplifies to -1/2. We could say this -3/6, -3/6 simplifies to -1/2. And of course, if you took the points that were closest together, like here, we rise -1, we run 2, -1/2. All of those get you the same slope. So that's what we get for number 4. Number 5, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to pick points that are right on the grid lines, like that, like that, and like that. And I'll pick the 2 that are closest together. If you pick the 2 that are closest together, you don't have to simplify. So we say it's a rise of 3 and a run of 4. So we have a 3/4 slope. That's A. And that's how you deal with slope. Rise over run, and remember, if you're dropping for a rise, it's negative.